guys, welcome back to Flash Custom Transfers. My name is Chelly, owner-operator of Flash Custom Transfers. Today we're going to do a simple guide, a step-by-step guide on how to use Flash Custom Transfers. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. All right, so this is what our Flash Custom Transfers look like. Easy breezy, as you are familiar with the DTF film, and fully coated adhesive on the back.
And done by machine, not manually like some people are out there doing.
Yes, this is.
I have to say that because people keep asking.
This is commercial grade printers
Yes.
that print this with high quality ink and high quality
Yes.
film. They do come on a gang sheet, and we have several different sizes: 22 by 24,
36,
36, 60, and our new 120, and our 22 by 120 is $75. So that's 10 feet of DTF.
Yes.
So please visit our website and check that good deal out. Let's go ahead and get straight into this. First thing you're going to want to do is set your heat press to 315. Everybody's heat press, of course, is different. So it's just kind of a trial and error on what works best for you with our transfers. 315 works best for us at 14 seconds. On the first press, we do have a cold peel transfer. So once you press that first press, pull to the touch, and then you hit it again 6 to 8 seconds. Today we're gonna do this tie-dye shirt with our logo. We have this handy dandy t-shirt ruler here. If you are not a professional with using ruler or just want to get that precise location, we got this off of Amazon, and those are in the description below. So you would simply just put it on the neck of your t-shirt, and this will find the center for you. To find the center of your design on your transfer, you would simply just connect the edge to edge, give it a little pink on the film, not the design. We can see right here. I would line it up with the center here and here.
Yours is a lot easier than mine.
Yeah.
You cheated.
I didn't. You wanted to do a polo. All right. And we do have the option, if you are a beginner, of heat tape. So this is heat resistant tape. It will not damage during your heat press process, and it will not damage your clothing, heat press, or anything like that. So you can just put a little heat tape, and we get rid of this because this is not heat resistant. This will melt. And I have accidentally pressed one before.
Facts.
So, okay, we want to make sure that looks right, looks good, looks center. It's for me. So go ahead. How do you think it looks?
Good.
You like the white?
Yeah, I do. It looks good.
Okay.
Looks like it belongs there.
Perfect. So we'll go ahead. We have our heat press set. We have this set. We don't need a heat pillow. We do have heat pillows. If you need to raise it, if you check out the video on Straight Outta Content, he did a left chest on a polo. The polos have buttons and things. Where's your shirt? It has buttons and things that can distract the pressure from distributing evenly. So we put this heat pillow underneath it to get a good pressure across the whole. So we won't need that today with this shirt, but please keep in mind that is available. Let's go ahead and give it a good press, and make sure the key to Flash Custom Transfers is pressure. So make sure you have good pressure and adjustable pressure on your heat press. This heat press is probably about 3 years old. Old faithful. It still works good. I think we were looking at a new heat press, and it did have that pressure we needed. So we're kind of just sticking out with this. So let's go ahead. Get a good press. So we would do that for 14 seconds. We also have these fans here. We also got this from Amazon, and that is in the link in the description as well, since we are cold peel. So we would give that a lift and get our fan going. So this only needs, I would say, like 10-15 seconds, just to make sure. You always want to make sure it's cool to the touch. Bigger designs, it's going to take a little longer to cool. Smaller designs, it will take a little quick time to cool. Quicker. Okay, so go ahead and give that a touch, honey.
Oh.
Is it cool to touch?
Yeah, it's good to go.
All right, cool to touch. So we want to go ahead and get that peel. Oh, maybe I should do this side. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. Heat tape came right up, didn't damage anything. So the most important part is that second press. The first press adheres it to the shirt off of the film, and that second press is what adheres it to the shirt. Sorry, the first press gets it off the film,
Releases it
from the film. Second press
really is what really pushes it into the shirt. You're gonna use the
oh yeah, and we do have a T-Seal here. This is a finishing sheet from T-Seal. That's the actual company. They're about $40, and they're about 300 to 500 presses you're able to use, and it solidifies it into the shirt. It kind of gives it that same texture of the shirt, so it really seals it into there.
Oh, quick statement. You guys are gonna see, so this color that you see on this T-Seal sheet is actually from us pressing uniforms, police and security uniforms, from a project that we do off camera. With that being said, you will see that this color does not transfer to the white on the I guess I didn't mean to use transfer twice.
White on the the fabric, it doesn't.
Well, not in the fabric, but also not on the transfer. So this will remain white, because a lot of people see that. They see our dirty sheet, even though it's not dirt for some reason.
It's just like from the ink
came up from the clothes. Yeah, and those clothes still look perfect. It's very weird. I think it was because the T-Shield sheet was brand new and kind of has to be worked in. And now that it's worked in, it presses perfect. And you guys are about to see that right now. So I just really wanted to say that because somebody questioned that in the last video.
Yes, so if you are have not purchased a T-Shield, you can use Teflon, or you can use parchment paper, or you can just use your heat press. You don't have to have a finishing sheet. It's really up to you and your discretion. Maybe kind of test it out and see what works for you, see what you like, because everybody likes different things. So it's really at your discretion. So let's go ahead and give this a good press. 315 as well. And I'm going to do the whole 14 seconds with the T-Seal. If I was not using the T-Seal, I would do 6 to 8 seconds with my Teflon. So let's go ahead and get that. And then it should give it a good finishing touch.
Oh, let me get don't do it too fast. Is it hot?
Yeah, it is hot.
Go. See, and look at the texture. Oh, I'm sorry, am I in the light?
Let me pull it out.
Let's pull it out. Look at that texture that you can see. If the camera really picking it up, if you can look slightly, you can see, I don't know if the camera's really pulling it up, but the T-Seal pushes in the little grooves. Every piece of fabric is grooved like this, right? It's not just flat. And the T-Seal has little nipples on it or whatever, and it pushes it down, and it takes it. It has like a texture now like the shirt, just a little bit. So it's very hard to feel the difference between the shirt and the transfer. And also, you notice there's no color. There's no color left over from that T-Seal sheet. That thing has really changed the game with how we press. Yeah,
especially if you're someone that has used DTF before and maybe thought it was too plasticky, it was, it didn't have that feel that you wanted. You might want to just reconsider your finishing paper on what works best for you. If you like this better than, some people like the plastic feel. They think it's more, it just really depends.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go ahead, put the shirt on, and show you the finished product. All right, there you have it. Flash Custom Transfers, easy step-by-step guide. If you have any questions, you can always email us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com. Visit us on our website at flashcustomtransfers.com. And if you are interested in any graphic services such as needing a vector, background removal, embroidery effect, or logo creation, we have Flash Graphics at flashcustomtransfers.com. Always there for your graphic needs. And we will see you guys the next time. Bye.
Let's just get a good close-up.